AI fashion tutorial. Here's how I used AI to make this video. Step 1, I used DALL-E to generate the outfits. I did this by erasing parts of my clothes and asking for new ones. You can see it did a really good job of matching color and lighting. I ran through tons of prompts for this and got lots of cute options, and I got some less cute options too, but I skipped over those. Oh, and you may have noticed I covered my face. I did this because DALL-E doesn't allow faces for safety reasons. Step 2, go frame by frame and generate the outfits one at a time. But this is where I ran into a problem. See, DALL-E is designed for pictures, not for video. So how could I get it to work for video? This feature doesn't exist yet, so I was stuck. But then, I discovered an AI program called EbSynth. It lets you apply a painting style to your video. So I wondered, could it be used to paint on clothes? Step 3, try using EbSynth on my video. Please work, please work, please work, please work. And it worked, yes, look at that. I mean, it's not perfect, and yeah, sure, there's some artifacts, but it's totally good enough for me. Remember, this is what my video looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. Oh yeah! Final step, apply a finishing touch with DAIN. This is an AI I'll use to smoothly transition between my outfits, and here is the finished result.
Give me